Enjoy AI Skyline Adventures is a flight mission competition. The total competition duration is 180 seconds, and each team consists of one member. The dimensions of the competition field map are 300 centimeters by 300 centimeters. The drone base is in the lower left corner of the map and measures 30 centimeters x 30 centimeters. At each takeoff, the top-down projection of any part of the drone must stay within the base area. The weight must be controlled between 81 to 0G. The field is equipped with 16 April tag codes and 25 mission placement points. If the drone successfully takes off from the drone base, the team scores 40 points. The drone scores 50 points for each ring it passes through. The drone earns 60 points for completing one full circle around the marker pole. Successfully crossing the twin stars scores 50 points. The drone scores 70 points for flying upward through the ring from below. The spaceship back to the upright position. The drone scores 80 points for pushing. 80 points for completing a full figure-8 loop around the bars. The drone scores 60 points for knocking the meteor down onto the ground. The drone lands autonomously at the base. When there are no remaining tasks, 440 points will be awarded. After the referee announces that the round is over, points are rewarded based on the tasks completed. Teams in each division will be ranked by total scores. If two teams are tied, the team that spends less time across all rounds ranks higher. For detailed scoring criteria, please refer to the officially published documentation.